What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I do apologise for the lack of videos in this last week. It's been a bit of a roller coaster, I'm not gonna lie. I've had technical problems with my GoPro. Is it raining? It's fucking raining. Check the weather report today, no rain, classic. And we're double lorried. We're double stacked on the lorry front, which isn't what you want. But it's fine. Talking about the progression of bikes from a CBT license or a new rider for like what you should get next and how it works. So in the UK you got to go CBT first, no matter how old you are, just to get a provisional learner license, which is easy. It's just like an 8-hour course basically. You can't really fail it. And then after that, you're either not old enough to do your direct access as and when you want to, because you're either 24 to be able to do that, or been riding on an A2 license for a couple of years. But yeah, going from a 125 straight into direct access, which is the route I took. Oh fuck, we are stopping hard. I mean, that is a big lorry, we'll give them that. So my route was 6 months on a 125-ish? On a 125, just sort of learning the ropes, learning gearing, learning, you know, everything else. And then I progressed. I thought, yeah, well, I'm old enough. I'm not going to do an A2 license because there's not really much point. I may as well just do the direct access and then limit myself instead of the government limiting my bike size. I'll just be sensible. I went from a 125 with approximately 12 horsepower ish to this, the Yamaha FZ6, which has just shy of 100. It's got 98, I think, like on paper. I personally would say don't go too big too fast. I know everyone says it. It's the most common thing you'll hear from anyone. I mean, it feels more planted and stable, but it's also 10 times faster than anything you'd have ridden before, because fucking 125s are shit. So if you're thinking of going 1000cc straight after your 125 and you've jumped into the direct access, be very sensible with your wrist, because you'll want to, back wheel will want to spin, the front wheel will want to come up constantly, and you'll find yourself going much faster than you know how to deal with very quickly. You just need to be sensible with it, because end of the day, you're inexperienced, as am I, which is why I didn't go for a 1000. Yes. But there's fuckloads of traffic. Let's go. Just for that split second, pure joy. That little feeling in your bum. In the good way, not the bad way. Because you can get that shitty bum feeling when you fuck up or hit something bad. So just be sensible. Don't go too mad. I know you want to, but don't. Think about it. But thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new here. And thanks for watching Motor PV. Peace out.